Hello guys, welcome back to What's the Wise and what it is. Yes. So in today's video I'll be doing color grading. I'll showing you how I was able to change my video from this to this. You can see it's more brighter, more attractive right now. I'm going to show you this you how I did everything in the video. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And you need to just know that this thing, everything we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be using our smartphone. So if in case you don't have any gadget, your smartphone is enough for you to do it. So without more further ado, let's get to the video.
Okay guys, the first thing you have to do is to go to our CapCut app. So yes, the app we'll be using for this color grading is CapCut. In case you don't have CapCut, I'll go and download it to your Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using. So let's go to our CapCut. Let me just click back. Yeah, once you enter your CapCut, this is how the interface looks like. Then for you to import your video, just click on new project. Yeah, this is the new project, and then you click on the video you want to import. It's just proving, just click add. Then yes, once you have added it, this is how it automatically look like. Then here you can't, let me just cut out the parts that I don't need. Cutting out. Let's edit. Let me just click on it and just delete it. I just click it down, see, just do them. Then the next thing, just for you to zoom in. Yeah, zoom into the dimension you want it to be, or if you don't want to zoom, you can just zoom. But this, like, I'm taking my own editing procedures. Yes, let me say this it. Let me just play it.
That's supposed to know
Yeah.
how it is.
Then now let's do the color grading. To go to color grading, just go to your elements. Just be looking at my cursor, you see it. Oh, find my elements again. Okay, I said just look for your adjustment. Yes, thanks. For adjustment, I want to say click on adjustments. Yeah, now this is where the magic takes place. So for us to do what we want to do now, first for us to click on our brightness. For the brightness, I won't be really doing any work there. Yes, I will be leaving the brightness like this. Then let me say contrast. Our contrast, I'm going to increase it to either 13 or let me just leave it at 13 or 14. Okay, so okay. One thing you should know about this color grading is there's no better way to do color grading. You can do the color grading according to your taste. Yes, what I'm doing is I want my video to pop out very more and very more attractive. That's why I'm doing the color grading. You can do color grading according to you can increase it to the level you want it to be, but just that don't make it very obvious, don't make it look like unprofessional. Yes, know what you are looking for and do it exactly like that. Yes, I'm actually just showing these steps so you know the step to follow when you want to do your own. So once now that we are done with the contrast, let's do saturation. Yeah, and for the saturation, let me just, what should I use for saturation? Let me just do that check. Once you are increasing, you can see it's changing. Yes, just increase and know which one you're looking for. No, I can't leave it like this. It's obvious. Like it's not that good. Just increase it to what you know that will be good. Now the brilliance. brilliance to make it more bright, or yeah, to add more light to it. That's the work of the brilliance. Let me just, don't really need it that much. Okay, let me just leave it 10. Then sharpening. Sharpening is to make your video very sharp. Let me just do it so you see it. You can see the video will become more sharper. You can see it's very sharp. Now the clarity. Clarity to make your video more clear. Let me just increase it. You can see it. Wow. Very good. Now is now we are getting into the main thing, which is the main thing about color grading, which is the HSL. Then when you click HSL, you can see these different things. All these things have their own purpose. All these colors here are the colors in your videos. Yes, is this is where you can either increase the colors to make it more brighter, or decrease the color, or this is where you can change the color. Yes, this place, this blue that you see here, you can actually change it to another color. Let me just show you. For example, please, yeah, yes, let me can actually change it to another color. Try showing something. Can see it. I've changed to other color. That is just it. I've changed. But this is not what we are doing here. Yeah, that is really what I'm teaching. Yes, in case you want to change the color of your background, everything, even the shirt you are wearing, you can change the color using this. Exactly, you can just click on this here, because the shirt is yellow. Then search for the color you want to change to. You can see it's already changing. As you can see, it's already changing. But that is not what we are looking for. You can do it to make it very good. You can do it to suit your taste. Yes, that's your video editing. Yes, until you get satisfied with what we are doing. That is not just not yes. There is it. Make sure you know what you are doing. Yeah, there's no better way to do it. You have your taste, know what you want. For this one, let me say, let me just look for how. Actually, I already scatter everything. Let me just click on reset so everything go back to normal. Yeah. Now that everything is back to normal, let's start doing our work. Yeah. Now coming to this place, yes, you can see the color is now changing. This is hue to change the color. Yeah. Then saturation to make it more, to pop more. Lightness. Yeah. Now let's come over to this place. Wow, I can see it, but I don't really like it like this. You know that just like this photo to your purpose, you can actually do it how you want it. That's it. Yeah, just become more. I see it looking more attractive than before. Yeah, that's it. Actually, just okay. This one is not really clean because don't have any effect in it. Then let me just change my shirt, the color. That's it. Yes, now to check what you have done, the previous work and this, like the video, the difference, just click and hold it, you can see it. This is the video imported. And after color grading, this is how it look like. Now, let's play it. Yeah, then once you are done, just click on this, go there. Now let's play it and see and comment.
That's what I'm supposed to know.
And see, it's still playing. And see how it look like now. Yes, there's a lot of difference. That is just it. It's very
Hello
simple.
guys,
It's
welcome
not
back
that
to
hard.
another
You can
request
do
from
it.
this.
I trust you. You
So
can do
today
it.
we are returning
So
back.
that is just the end of the
So
video.
today
If you
we
have
are
any
going to
questions, go to comment
color
section.
grading.
Ask me
How I was able to change this my
anything
background,
about
my
content creation, about
how I
YouTube
was able
group,
to
if
change
that
this my
Facebook
video
group,
from
yes, how
this.
to grow your channel, how to grow
So
your social media
as you can
account.
see, it's
That's
more
what I'm
brighter,
expert in
more
it. Go to the comment section and ask
bright,
me, then
brighter,
I'm
more
ready to
engaged,
give
give
you
you
an answer. I will
everything.
see you
So stay
in my next video.
and
Thanks.
watch video.